welcome back to another video. Today we have a Bauer's Days email. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, I guess the Bauer Days are here, so pretty much every tool that's named Bauer, it's on sale. We do have a 10% off coupon, any tool or any item that's Bauer. It says 10% off Bauer, any single item. Limit 1 original coupon. Says save 10% off any single Bauer brand item. No use on period purchases over 30 days from original purchase without original receipt. So I guess you can, if you bought a Bauer tool before 30 days before, I guess you can use this. That's my understanding that it says here. No use on prior purchases after 30 days. So I guess my guess is that's what it says here. So if you know exactly what that means, feel free to leave me a comment down below. But my understanding is you can use it for, you can take your receipt back from 30 days behind. It says valid through 3/15/20. Same here, March 15, 2020. You got coupon code 58185583. So that is the coupon code. That's what you're gonna need. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. If I can remember how to zoom in. What? There it is. So that's the barcode number if you guys need it. See if I can get it a little bigger for you guys. Maybe here in the center. It's a little bigger for you guys. All right. Next coupon that we have is the lithium ion 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit, $59.99, and then we have the 1/2 inch compact driver, $59.99, and this does include a battery, charger, and a bag, by the way. Then we got the 1/2 inch hammer drill kit. So this is the hammer version of these. $64.99, so it's only $4 or $5 more. You got the 20-volt lithium cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench, $94.99. I do have this wrench. It does take lug nuts out. It works really good for DIY homeowner use. This is a great gun. If you're a professional, I would go Earthquake XT. So definitely move yourself to Earthquake XT. That is Harbor Freight's professional line for somebody that has a shop. But for somebody that does a lot of DIY at home, tire rotations every month or every so often, that is completely fine. That'll work. I do have a video on that if you guys want to check it out. Just go on the YouTube, search 1/2 inch impact Bauer or Bauer 1/2 inch impact wrench, toolhead 147. Just type that up above. And you guys can look at my video. You got 20 volts. This is one of the new ones or newer tools. This is the 20 volt lithium cordless 3/8 impact wrench. So this is the smaller one version of this. It's 3/8, so it's like a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, 1/2 inch ratchet. $69.99. Then you got the 20 volt lithium 4.5 angle grinder, $34.99. Then again, this is not a professional grade angle grinder, just to let you know. It does cut, it does, grind, all that stuff. You just got to give it time, and I would definitely recommend bigger batteries for this. So if you're going to be running most of these bigger tools on a small battery, it's not really the best. You're going to notice a lot of, lag and stopping and stuff like that. Not a lot, but every now and then, when you put a lot of pressure in there, you're going to notice that. So, or bog down, whatever you call it. But definitely recommend the 3 amp hour batteries for any of these bigger tools, even for this one. For this one, I recommend the bigger battery too. All right, you got the 20 volt lithium 3/8 right angle drill, $59.99. Like I said, bigger battery recommended. This is the 5-inch orbital sander. It is a battery operated. This is a reciprocating saw, $54.99. And again, a bigger battery recommended. Same thing with these guys. I recommend this big battery here, for any of these big tools if you want to have a longer run time. So on this one, let me start over here first. You got 20 volt lithium 10-inch chainsaw, $67.99. You got the 12-inch. If you guys watch my video, I did we did see this when I was shopping at Harbor Freight. We did see this item. You got the 12-inch string trimmer, $39.99. Actually, that was the video just before this one. So that other video was released early morning today. This video is is released a little bit later than that video. So be sure to check out my channel if you guys want to look at all these items, in the live and at the store, by the way. So you got this is the 12-inch string trimmer, and this is the 3-in-1, by the way. It says 3 tools in 1: string trimmer, edger, and mini mower. So it does have some wheels here. You can use it differently. $39.99 for that. You got the 20 volt lithium jet fan blower, $49.99. Guys, this is a great blower. For a small yard, a battery will work fine. One of these batteries was 3 amp hour batteries. But if you got a bigger yard, you're gonna need more than one. So Harbor Freight, I know they're coming out with those big old batteries. They're 8 amp hour or 6 amp hour batteries. But these 3 amp hour batteries last about 15 minutes on high. So that is this tool on high. If you run this tool on low, it'll last longer. But one of these small batteries here on this tool, it'll only last on high. It'll only last like 5 minutes. So make sure you buy a bigger battery for these, like I said, these tools, so you can get the longer run time. And if you have 2 batteries, even better. And most of these, like I said, most of these tools and these prices are good for people that are already in the platform. If you're a person that does not have any Bauer tools and you're planning on buying one of something like this, just be mindful that this price is plus the battery plus the charger. So if you already have this big battery, or you have this small battery here, and you have another drill and a charger, and you're just putting down $50 there on that, and $40 on that, and $67 on that. So that's mostly meant for that. This is the 1.5 amp hour battery for $22.99. Then again, the batteries are really cheap. This is one of the cheaper, as in price, not really as in quality, because quality it's fairly good quality of these batteries. But price wise, they are very cheap. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, 1.5 amp hour for $22.99. 3 amp hour for $39.99. Like I said, great deal there. 4.5 40 grit metal cutoff wheels, pack of 10, $7.99. T-shank all-purpose jigsaw blades, $9.99. You got the 35-piece impact duty or drill, and driver set, $15.99. You got the 21-piece titanium, $15.99. You got the 6 and 9 bimetal reciprocating saw blades, pack of 9, $13.99. Got the heavy duty guaranteed 6-inch 5.7 amp variable speed dual action polisher, $59.99. This is the other impact wrench that they have, 1/2 inch. Just keep in mind that this is the corded version, and the other one is the one with the battery operated. I do have the other one, works really good. This one has 5 stars. Heard nothing but good things about this thing. The only bad thing about this one is it's huge. This thing's huge and heavy. So just keep that in mind. It is, I would say, it's a two-handed operation here. But yeah, it works really good. It does take all those lug nuts. I think this one's a little bit more powerful than the other up above, but because it's corded and plus it's huge, it's giant. So $89.99 will get it done if you have an extension cord somewhere. I do have this one. Works really good. It saved me a lot of money from calling a plumber. I paid $99.99. I paid $100 for this thing, and let me tell you, even with the first visit or the first use that I did, it already paid for itself, because a visit is like about this much, or a tool rental is about $60 or $70 for a tool rental at Home Depot. So I know because I rented tools before. And it happened to me before, and I went to Home Depot and rented a tool out, and it was just about, $30 less than this. So might as well, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy this thing. It's only $100, and if I have it, if I break down again, I'm gonna have the tool there. And yeah, that's what I have. I have the tool. I used this tool 5 times already, 4 or 5 times already. So just keep that in mind, how much money I saved already having that tool. And that's not for, this is not for everybody. This is for somebody that has an older house, has problems with drains, or if you're a professional, you might think of going this route. Or if you have like an apartment complex and you don't want to pay a plumber, then this is the tool for you, definitely. For somebody like me that has an older house, my house was built in the 50s. If you guys follow my channel, you guys know how old my house is. So, anyways, I do have the 3-in-1, not this one, but I do have the 3-in-1 demolition hammer kit. I believe it was like $80 or $90. That thing worked great. I did go when I got the Milwaukee spade bit, about a 3 or 4 inch spade bit, and stick it in there. And let me tell you, that thing worked really good. It removed the tile just like nothing. So for this one, I would think this one would work better. It's a heavier duty. It's a prorated demolition hammer, 12.5 amps for $19.99. Got the 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw for $99.99. You got the 15 amp portable thickness planer, $299.99. You got the new vacuums, guys. These look really nice. I already checked them out. If you guys haven't checked out my videos, I did check them out. They look really good quality. So you got the 3-gallon for $34.99. The 6-gallon 4 horsepower, $44.99. You got the 9-gallon 4.5 horsepower, $59.99. If you're gonna be doing like if a dust collector, if you guys like working on wood and stuff like that, have a shop, dust collector, I would definitely go at least a 4 horsepower at least. You got plus and save with super coupons. If you guys don't know what a dust collector system is, I'm probably gonna end up doing one. But yeah, what it is you just put the end of the hose here and into your power tools. If you have a table saw or a miter saw, the miter saw has a little bag here, so you take out the miter saw bag and then you put the hose in from the vacuum there into the hole there on the back, because you guys see that hole there. You guys could put that in there, or have several different pipes already built in and got everything connected from your different tools and stuff like that. So that's what I mean about dust collecting, if you guys don't know what it is. So you got good, better, and best. Definitely recommend the best for you guys. If you can afford it. If you can't afford it, if you're just a DIY, I mean, this is a really nice saw. Admiral is a really nice saw. I did some baseboards with this thing, and you know what? I ran out of light because I was working at night trying to get this done, trying to get my baseboards done. If you guys haven't watched my videos, check it out. Video's titled, it is titled installing some baseboards, Toolhead 147. So you guys could search that out if you guys want to look at it. But yeah, the night hit, and let me tell you, this guy has an LED in here, has a laser, so it has the whole 9 yards there, so you can work at night. This one does have a laser too. That one works really good. However, there's mixed complaints about this one having not being square and stuff like that. Well, you know what? If you're buying it, this thing has 90 days warranty, so make sure you measure it, check it out, cut a few cuts. If you like it, stay with it. Obviously $129, but you know what? This one includes a free blade. This one does not. So by the time you put a blade on this thing, it's just about this much. So you're gonna get a whole lot more for a little bit more. And here's a coupon blade if you guys need one. 10% off. It says 58, 18, 63, 45. Feel free to take a screenshot any of these or a picture of any of these coupons and use them. You got the better and best. Obviously, the best is really nice. It has the nice wheels. This is just It has the rollers, really convenient. This one will work if you don't have this much, if you don't want to spend that much. This will work fine. Got the table saw, 114. Not really recommend that. I would recommend you guys get the Hercules. Much better table saw. This is the good angle grinder. This angle grinder usually goes on sale in the parking lot sales for $9.99. Definitely recommend that for you guys. You guys have multiple wheels and you don't want to be switching out your wheels from your good brands. You know, switching out the wheels, it's just a pain in the rear. So just have multiple. Have 2 or 3 of these. Have one with the cut-off wheel, one with the grinding wheel, and one with the metal, the metal wheel, whatever you want to call it. But you're not switching out, and you're not taking time switching out blades there. Other than that, we got 29-piece titanium. Not the best, but will get the job done. They're giving you a lot of bits. 29 bits for $11.99. So that's, definitely a great deal there. 3-piece titanium step bits, $8.99. You got the 3-piece hex shank socket driver. These work, guys. These work fine. I did break some, but the reason why I broke them is because I was putting the impact driver, and those nuts were just like super tight. I mean, I couldn't get them off. I had to put a cheater bar, a pipe to get them off those lug nuts. If you guys watch that video, it says Hercules. What is it? Hercules removing nuts or something like that. Lug nuts from a vehicle. So that was the video where I used that cheater pipe. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.